It's 12:01, blue glow on the fridge door, leftover noodles, plastic fork, quiet house, humming thoughts. A magnet says live, laugh, love. I judge it silently. The light hums like it knows my secrets, and the dog won't make eye contact. I bow to the countertop altar, ceramic plate with a crack like my plans. Pressing buttons like I'm diffusing something. Popcorn setting, brave man. Microwave at midnight, spinning my feelings on a paper plate. Watch them go in circles till the edges fade. Microwave at midnight, little light and a tired day. Buzz deep, take a bite, convince myself it's okay. Bare feet on cold tile, phone face down on the counter, steam on my glasses. I laugh at how serious I was. Read an article called 10 Ways to Be Better. Closed it at the headline. Season my noodles with regret. Add garlic powder, mostly garlic powder.
I stare it like it owes me money.
Fork bend like my posture. I whisper, chef's kiss to nobody. The smoke alarm
Judges from afar. Microwave at midnight, rotating open 30 seconds more. Pause, stir, resume my confidence like I've done this before. Microwave at midnight, little sun in a plastic tray. Buzz, ding, second bite. Yeah, it's still okay. Label says family size. Family left me on red. Instructions say let's stand. I stand there anyway. I remember my dreams from earlier. They needed batteries. Now I'm negotiating with sodium about who we are tonight.
3 beeps means it's done. 5 beeps means it's serious. I'm doing math on the back of the box. Calories lie like politicians. I blow on lava, hot noodles like that's science. Burn my tongue, learn nothing. Repeat the cycle, tradition. Microwave at midnight, spinning my feelings on a paper plate. Watch them go in circles till the edges fade.
Microwave at midnight, tiny win in a tired parade. Buzz, ding, third bite. Look at me, coping, hooray. Light clicks off, kitchen goes quiet. I seal the leftovers like a promise. Tomorrow me will judge me harshly, tonight me not.